Biosecurity has a significant impact on food security, food safety, and the economy.
Every citizen in South Africa should be concerned about biosecurity, pests and diseases, plant health, animal health, human health, the environmental health. That's biosecurity.
To effectively tackle this key issue, a multi-stakeholder National Biosecurity Hub has been established. The hub has its roots in a partnership agreement between the Department of Science and Innovation and Grain SA, whereby consortiums were created to co-fund and drive research.
We started off in the grain industry, and this has developed over the years that we're here today in the formation of the hub, where it's a much broader industry partnership arrangement where different agricultural stakeholders can participate and take ownership of this.
The Biosecurity Hub is an excellent example of collaboration between government, industry, and the research community. It requires efficient and effective coordination between all these relevant role players, including government, policymakers, regulators, as well as the research community and civil society.
To facilitate collaboration between role players, the Biosecurity Hub is coordinated through Innovation Africa at UP. The hub has three main focus areas: plant health, animal health, and food safety.
Some of the challenges that we're experiencing is around the emergence of new pests and diseases as a result of climate change, as well as the increased movement of people and goods has also led to South Africa, like many other countries, being exposed to more pests and diseases.
With pests and pathogens, we can see the very clear trends that they are moving around the world more frequently. Their impacts are being amplified in many cases through climate change. So the one prediction that we can make is that their impact on our agricultural systems and on our food security is going to increase.
The simple introduction of an apple into South Africa can lead to the establishment of a particular disease if that apple carries a particular pathogen that is not yet present in South Africa.
Collaboration is absolutely key to what we're going to do. Academia can come up with new methods, new tests, new methods of analysis, but that has no impact if we can't get the farmer to implement the right models, if we don't have drugs to treat the animals. Likewise, if government is not playing a role in trade discussions and looking at new test validations and getting other countries to acknowledge our tests exist and that we have the right standards, we're going to fail. So all in all, it is a triad, and we have to work together if we're going to control diseases and allow for the economy to grow.
This holds true for every aspect of biosecurity, from the environment to human health. As such, food safety research and control throughout the agricultural value chain form an important part of the Biosecurity Hub, because if food is not safe, it is not food. And although safety measures start on home ground, ultimately, biosecurity requires a wider geographical approach.
We are focusing on strengthening the biosecurity system. And by doing that, you're not just doing it for South Africa. Considering our porous borders, we are looking at the entire network and working with trading partners within Africa, regionally. We want to strengthen national systems, but to benefit regional trade by making sure our regional partners can be part of this biosecurity hub. It's ultimately a hub that will be of benefit to Africa.